previous lecture we have seen how to check a function f of x y is differentiable at function x0 y0 by using either definition or by using sufficient condition. Now in today's lecture we are going to see one application of differentiability, that is differential. By using this definition we can find approximate value of the given number. So complicated number. So if z is equal to f of x y is the given function is differentiable function of x and y. So suppose z is equal to f of x y is a differentiable function of x and y, then differential of z or total differential of z is denoted by this symbol and is defined as dz is equal to gamma z by gamma x delta x plus gamma z by gamma y delta y. This can also be written as df, or you can write dz or df. Df is what? F by gamma x delta x plus gamma x by gamma y delta y, where delta x and delta y, are differential of x and y. Okay, so this is the formula. You can either use this formula to obtain an approximate value of the given complicated number. So, but what is the working rule? All of we know that what is the df, or we know that df is equal to f of x0 plus delta x increment function. We can write increment function as x0 plus delta x, y0 plus delta y, or x plus delta x, y plus delta y minus f of xy. So we can write f of x plus delta x, y plus delta y is equal to f of xy plus df. So we take this term, right hand term on the left hand side. So this term f of x plus delta x, y plus delta y can be written as f of xy plus df. So what is your df? df is gamma f by gamma x delta x plus gamma f by gamma y delta y. But what is the working rule to find approximate value of the given number? So what is the working rule? Working rule is first of all, you have to identify your function. First of all, identify your function z is equal to f of xy. Then next, identify x0, y0, delta x, delta y. Then next, number 3, find f of x0, y0. Okay, so this is the formula. So first find f of x0, y0. Then next, number 4. Find a df. Df is equal to gamma f by gamma x, x0 y0 into delta x plus gamma f by gamma y, x0 y0 into delta y. And number 5, last step, f of x plus delta x, x0 plus delta x, x0 plus y0 plus delta y is equal to f of x0 y0 plus df, where x is equal to x0 plus delta x and y is equal to y0 plus delta y. For example, find an approximate value, find an approximate value find an approximate value of find an approximate value under root 5.98 bracket square plus 8.01 bracket square using differential. So now we want to determine this approximate value by using differential. So if you want to solve a given example by using a differential, how many steps you have to apply 5 steps. So what is the first step? You have to identify your function f of xy. So what is the function f of xy? Step first, z is equal to f of xy. So what is f of xy? For this value, for this term, say x, and say about this term, say y. So what is your function f of xy? It is x square plus y square. So what is your x? Where x is equal to 5.98 and y is equal to 8.01. So what is the next step? Step number 2. You have to identify x0, y0, delta x, delta y. And it's very simple to identify x0, y0. We know that this number, this 5.98 is very close to integer 6. So what is the x0 here? x0 is 6. And what is the delta x? It is minus 0.02. Minus 0.02. If you take the addition of these two numbers, again you will get the x. So this is x0. I hope you understand how we have selected this x0, because this number is very close to integer 6. If we take x0 is equal to 5, then error is very large. If you take x0 is 5, then delta x will be 0.98. In that case, you will get more error. But if you select the x0 is 6, delta x minus 0.02, then error will be less. Again, this y is equal to 8.01. It is very close to 8 as compared to 9. So we are selecting here y0 is equal to 8 and delta y is equal to 0.01. Okay, so what is the next step? Once you identify your x0, y0, delta x, delta y, next step is what? You have to determine term f of x0, y0. So what is f of x0, y0? F of 6x. So it is equal to under root of. So what is the function f of xy? It is under root of x square plus y square. So in place of x, if you put 6, it is equal to 36. And what is the x square? 64. So 36 plus 64, it is under root of 100 and it is equal to 10. So f of x0, y0 is 10. What is our formula? Do remember our formula. The formula is what? F of xy, which is equal to f of x0 plus delta x, y0 plus delta y is equal to f of x0, y0 plus df. So this is the formula. So to obtain an approximate value, we want to determine f of x0, y0 and df. Out of that, here by in step number 3, we have determined the value of f of x0, y0. What is our next step? We want to determine df. So it is the largest step, and it is a very important df. Step number 4. So what is the df? The formula of df is what? Dabba f by dabba x at x0, y0 into delta x plus dabba f by dabba y at x0, y0 into delta y. Okay, so here is the function f of xy. If we differentiate this function with respect to x, then df is equal to, we know that when you take a partial derivative with respect to x, means what your y is constant. So this is 1 upon 2 under root of x square plus y square, and again derivative of x square plus y square with respect to x is what? Twice x. So this 2 will get cancelled here, and your answer will be x divided by under root of x square plus y square at x0 y0. What is x0 y0? It is 6x into delta x. So what is the delta x? Delta x minus 0.02. Plus similarly, if we differentiate this function here with respect to y, then again its derivative is what? Partial derivative is what? 1 divided by under root of 2 times under root of x square plus y square, and again derivative of x square plus y square by using chain rule. So its derivative is 2y. So this 2 will get cancelled here, and answer will be y divided by x square plus y square at x0 y0 is 6a into delta y. So what is the delta y? Delta y is 0.01. So if we simplify this, we'll get df is equal to, okay, so what is here? X0 y0. So in place of x we want to put here x0, and in place of y put y0. So 6 divided by, we know that under root of x square plus y square is 10. So it is 6 by 10 into minus 0.02 plus y divided by, so it is 8 divided by 10 into 0.01. So if we simplify this, it will be 0.6 into minus 0.02 plus 0.8 into 0.01. So if we simplify this, it will be, so we know that 6 times 2 is what? 12, and how many decimal points? 1, 2, 3. So 0.0012. Okay, plus it is equal to 0.008. So if we add these two terms, sorry, there is minus sign. Because of this minus sign, it will be minus 0.012 plus 0.08. If we simplify this, it will be a minus 0.004. Minus 0.004. Okay. So this is the value of df. df is equal to minus 0.004. Now, so what is the last step? Step number 4. So this is step number 4. Step number 5. Step number 5 will be last answer, that is f of x plus delta x y, x0 plus delta x, y0 plus delta y is equal to f of x0 y0 plus df. So by using step number 3, f of x0 y0 is what? 10, and by using step number 4, it is minus 0.004. So it is equal to, but what is f of x0 plus delta x? It is f of x0 plus delta x will be, I think, 5.98, and y0 plus delta y 8.01. Okay, so it is equal to x0 plus delta x is what? 5.98, and y0 plus delta y is what? 8.01 is equal to 10 minus 0.04. It is equal to 9.996. 9.996. But what is f of 5.98? What is our function? Under root of x square plus y square. So this is equal to 5.98 bracket square plus 8.01 bracket square is equal to 9.996. So this is the answer by using a differential. If we use your calci, our calci, then answer will be, if we use the calculator, we are going to check what will be the answer by using calculator. So if we use the calculator, square root of 5.98 square plus 8.01 9.996. Answer will be 9.996. So if you check, if you observe, this answer is exact equal to our calculated value. Okay, this is what calculated value and this is what exact value by using calculator. And if you see the difference, both the answers are correct up to 3 decimal places. So hope you understand how to find an approximate value of the given complicated number by using a differentiable. Take one more example. And an approximate value of the function 2.01 3.02 bracket square by using a differential. So you can observe that here this number, what is our first step? We want to decide our function z is equal to f of xy. So if you observe, this 2.01 is very close to integer 2. So here we are taking first of all we want to write a function f of xy. So for the first number say it is x, for the second number say, for the first number we are writing here x, for the second number we are writing y, so it is xy square. Now what is step number 2? We want to decide x0. So what is x0? We know that this number real number is very close to integer 2. So x0 is 2 and delta x is equal to 0.01. Similarly, this second number, real number is very close to integer y is 3 and so delta y is 0.02. So what is step number 3? Here we want to determine f of x0 y0. So what is f of x0 y0? It is f of 2 3 and it is equal to 2 into 3 square. So this 4 into 9, it will be a 36. Now next 2 into 3 square, so it is equal to 2 times 9, it is equal to 18. Not 2 square, it is only y square. Now next, step number 4, here we want to determine a differential df. And it is equal to del by f by del by x and x0 y0 into delta x plus del by f by del by y and x0 y0 into delta y. So by using this formula, first of all we want to determine a partial derivative of f with respect to x and then partial derivative of f with respect to y. So what is the partial derivative of f with respect to x? So df is equal to del by f by del by x. So partial derivative is what? Y square and x0 y0. So what is x0 y0? 2 3 into delta x. Delta x is 0.01. Next, del by f by del by y. It is 2xy and again x0 y0. What is at x0 y0? X0 y0 is what? 2 3 into delta y. Delta y is 0.02. Now next, here you want to put y value y0. So what is x0? X0 is 2, y0 is 3. So it is 9 into 0.01 plus. Next, if you put your x is equal to 2, y is equal to 3, then 4 times 3, it is equal to 12 into 0.02. So to simplify this, it is equal to 0.09 into 0.24. Plus 0.24. So to add these two terms, it will be a 0.9 plus 4, 13, 0.33. So this is the value of df. Now so last step, this is df and here it is f of x0 y0, 18. So if you add here, it is last step number 5, that is f of x0 plus delta x y0 plus delta y is equal to f of x0 y0 plus df So it is equal to 18 plus 0.33. So answer will be 18.33. But what is f of x0 plus delta x? What is x0? X0 is 2 and delta x is what? So 2.01. And what is y0 plus delta y? It is 3 plus 0.02. But what is f of xy? What is f of xy? F of xy is xy square. So this is 2.01 into 3.02 bracket square. It is equal to 18.33. And this is what we want to determine. We want to determine an approximate value of 2.01 and 3.02 bracket square will be 18.33. And if we use your calculator, you apply your calculator, then answer will be 2.01 into 3.02 bracket square is equal to 18.332. 18.332. So if you observe, this answer, that is calculated value, is very correct to exact value. Okay, this value we have determined by using differential, and if you observe the exact value, it is 18.332. So both the answer, that is calculated answer, approximate answer, is correct up to 2 decimal places. So hope you understand how to use a differential to find an approximate value of the given number. So next, take one more example. By using differential, find an approximate value of square root of 4.1 divided by 25.01. So again, what is the first step? For the first number, say it is x, and for the second number, say it is equal to y. So you can easily identify your function f of xy is equal to square root of x and y. Again, in step number 2, we are going to select our x0, y0, delta x, delta y. But if you observe, we know that we know the square root of 4 and we know the square root of 25. So we are selecting here x0 will be 4, or this number is very close to 4, integer 4, and this number is very close to integer 25. So we are selecting here x0 is 4, y0 is 25, delta x is equal to 0.1, and delta y is equal to 0.01. So all the information I have given here by using the formula f of x0 plus delta x, y0 plus delta y is equal to f of x0, y0 plus delta df. Using that formula, try to evaluate an approximate value of this function, and also check this answer with your exact answer by using calculator. So today we are going to stop here.